Today we're upgrading our 2018 MAKO Pro Skiff with a Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 74cv and GT20 Transducer. Let's get it installed and see how this compact fish finder performs on the water. Let's see what comes in the box. The Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 74cv includes the 7-inch touchscreen display, the G220 transducer for Garmin, chirp, traditional sonar, and clear view scanning sonar, a tilt and swivel mounting bracket, a power cable, mounting hardware, and all the documentation you need to get started. Now that we have everything unpacked, let's head over to the boat and begin the installation. Before we install the new Garmin, the original Lowrance Hook 4 has to come off. This unit served the boat well, but we're ready for a major electronics upgrade. We'll disconnect the wiring, remove the mounting bracket, and get the console prepped for the Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 74cv unit. With the old electronics removed, it's time to run the new transducer cable. Instead of drilling new holes, we're using the boat's existing rigging path to route the Garmin G220 wiring cleanly from the transom to the console. Taking advantage of the factory rigging keeps the installation neat, protected, and looking like it came that way from the factory. Now it's time to mount the new Garmin hardware. The display bracket is securely installed on the console, providing a solid mounting point for the ECHOMAP unit. At the transom, the G220 transducer is carefully positioned at the proper height and angle to deliver the best sonar performance. Taking the time to mount everything correctly is critical for accurate depth reading, fish detection, and reliable performance on the water. With all the wiring in place, it's time to connect the Garmin ECHOMAP unit. The power and transducer cables plug directly into the back of the display, creating a clean and secure connection. Once everything is connected, the unit is set into the mounting bracket and locked into position by tightening the side adjustment knobs. The installation is now complete, and we're ready to power it up and see what this new Garmin can do. The Garmin ECHOMAP unit is now fully installed and ready for the water. From removing the old electronics to mounting the new display and the G220 transducer, this upgrade gives our 2018 MAKO Pro Skiff a modern navigation and sonar system. In our next video, we will get out on the water, put it to the test, and show you how it performs. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow Sean's Outdoor Journeys. From the woods to the waves, we'll see you on the next adventure. Goodbye now.